if we ask, for example, how tall was the plant in March? All right, so we can see the vertical axis is showing us the height of the plant, and then the horizontal axis is showing us the months on the charts corresponding to the height. So how tall was the plant in March? So we go to the month, we look for March, we read all the way, use a ruler if you're working on paper, and then you draw all the way to the vertical axis to read the height. It's 40 centimeter. It's important when you write your answer, when reading charts, that you put your unit if it has a unit. Next, you ask, in what month was the plant 70 centimeter tall? So 70 centimeter is not actually given to us here, but we know that it has to be halfway between 60 and 80, because between 60 and 80 we have a difference of 20. So halfway has to be 10 add 60. So we trace it down all the way to the line chart, and we trace it down to the horizontal axis, which is June. So we say June. Next, we ask, estimate the date when the plant was 30 centimeter tall. Well, we're not giving 30 centimeter on the vertical axis, but we can know that we can estimate that it's actually half. Now, notice that when we trace it, it doesn't match with any of the points that are plotted on the line chart, which means it's an estimate. So we're using the line chart to do an estimate. So the way to do that, we'll now draw a vertical line down to the horizontal axis. Well, we know it's between February and March, so we're going to assume it's between 1st of February and the beginning of March, right? Because it's between February and March. So we'll just say, well, it has to be halfway, which will be February 14th. Yeah, there are 28 days in February, except a leap year, which is 29 days.